Hey kids, today we are making a pizza!
Oggi facciamo la pizza.
And here I am! Let's start! First, we need flour.
Farina!
A little bit.
Un po'.
A little bit more.
Un po' di più.
More?
Ancora.
More, please.
Ancora.
Okay, that's enough. And then the pizza dough.
L'impasto.
We need to open it. Ta-da! A little bit here. Let's try to use a pen.
La penna.
The pen doesn't work. I'm sorry.
Scusa.
Let's try with a rolling pin.
That's better.
And we're rolling, and still a bit of rolling, a little bit of pressing, and some stretching. Okay, perfect. Now, time for tomato sauce.
Salsa di pomodoro.
Let's use scissors.
Forbici.
I don't think it is going to work. Scissors, run for your life. Scissors are dangerous. So, we're not gonna throw them, okay? We can try to use a spoon. Do you know what do we need to put now? You're right, cheese.
Formaggio.
And we're gonna use tongs.
Le pinze.
Okay, one piece here, another piece there, and no. Oh, could you be more careful, please?
Scusa.
We're gonna use our hand. Now, full of cheese, our pizza need to go in the oven. Ta-da! And we're gonna use the shovel. No, it doesn't work.
Thanks, Spidey.
Let's try to use the spatula.
Ok.
Ta-da-da-da! And now, in the oven. And we're putting inside the oven.
Forno.
And click. Ladybug.
Cucinella.
We are hungry.
Abbiamo fame.
We are hungry.
Abbiamo fame.
Oh, okay. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1,
1.
and stick.
Wow.
Guys, let's eat.
Ragazzi, mangiamo.
Yay! Pizza! And now, let's clean.
Adesso puliamo.
Oh, but where is everybody going? Who is going to clean the plates?
Super digger.
Don't wait for the super ticket or the mommy. Always clean after yourself, okay?
We hope you enjoyed our pizza. Ciao!
Ciao!